Will AMC stock make you a millionaire? I know that's the question on everybody's mind. Everyone wants $1 million. Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. If you only have one share of AMC, then no, you're not going to become a millionaire. Guys, AMC stock is not going to $1 million a share, but yes, it absolutely has the potential, perhaps more potential than any other stock, any other investment for that matter, to make you a millionaire. Now, that leads to the question, why? What is it about AMC that is so special? Why would AMC possibly be able to make you a millionaire even if you don't own $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 worth of the stock? How could it make you and I, retail investors, millionaires? It all comes down to the DD, the due diligence. And that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, I said it all comes down to the DD, or due diligence. And no, I'm not talking about the due diligence that says Elon Musk was spotted in an AMC theater 10 years ago. AMC is going to rocket up to $100,000. This info was leaked. I'm not talking about the due diligence that says there's some sort of an endless loophole where hedge funds can go out and naked short this thing to oblivion. I'm not talking about the due diligence that says the same pattern repeats itself over and over and over. So therefore, if we just buy and sell AMC stock all day long at the highs and lows of the patterns, we can become millionaires. I'm talking about the fact that this is a strategic short squeeze play. At its fundamentals, guys, AMC has unlimited potential. Now, of course, if you own one share of AMC, it's going to be extremely difficult to become a millionaire off that one share. I know you know that, and yes, it's a lottery ticket play, but I know that you understand that there will be temptations on the way up. There will be limitations that human beings cannot withstand. And I don't think that there's anybody out there that would be able to resist the temptation to sell their portfolios for life-changing money much before we reach $1 million per share price. So just be realistic with your expectations. That's all I'm saying with that example there, is be realistic with your expectations. Now, why does AMC have the potential to do something that nearly all other investments don't have the potential to do? It's simple, guys. It comes down to the fact that there is short interest in excess of many other stocks, but that's normal. Stocks are shorted all the time. Hedge funds short shares, and they do it in quantities in excess of what they're shorting AMC right now. But here's what no other stocks have. You. They don't have you and I. They don't have the community surrounding it, willing to hold the stock, willing to talk about it daily, willing to just dive into it and understand that this is not some sort of a typical investment. This is a movement. This is becoming a way of life, guys. I mean, if you don't think about AMC daily, you haven't been here very long. There's going to be a point in time where AMC is on your mind at least once a day if you're in this AMC community. And that right there is what separates it from the rest. So we can look at the numbers. There's currently around 90 million shares that are sold short on AMC stock. Now, I know a lot of you out there speculate that there's naked shorts that exist much in excess of that 90 million number. And hey, if they do, great. But if your due diligence says that that's the reason you're investing in AMC stock, what happens when you're wrong? Do you just sell? Do you get out because you put all of your faith in synthetics that, one, most likely can't be proved, and two, have not been proven, and therefore you're basing your investment and you're basing your trade simply on something that you hope is out there? Or are you basing it on something else that says the future can be predicted based on the past? If that's the case, what happens when the future doesn't line up directly with the past? Do you move on? Base your investment style, base your investment strategy, and base your trade in AMC on what we know, on what the facts are, not what we hope is out there. Because guys, these prices that you talk about, they can still be accomplished based on what we know. You guys have seen my videos before. You know that I'm not out there wearing my tinfoil hat. You know that I'm not out there saying that the financial system and the financial markets are so corrupt that the retail investor can never win. If that were the case, hedge funds, money managers, they would average much higher returns than the S&P 500, and they don't. They simply do not. The safest way to invest your money in the stock market is to simply buy an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. The overall market, guys. That's the only thing that is essentially guaranteed when it comes to the stock market, is that the overall market will rise over time. That's where dollar cost averaging comes into play. That's where all of these things and all of these tried and true investment styles come into play, is that over time, the economy grows, commerce continues to grow, and companies along with it continue to grow. Now, AMC is a beast of its own because, yes, we are trading above fundamental value. Yes, this is a risky play if you are a conservative investor, but yes, the reward in this situation far outweighs the risk because the reward is limitless. Now, if you're looking at a regular stock, let's just use Apple for example. There's a certain point in time, if Apple reaches $500, $1,000, $5,000, I don't know what the price is going to be. There will be no demand once it reaches a certain price. AMC has guaranteed demand as long as there are short positions out there. It doesn't matter if it's 5 billion short positions. It doesn't matter if it's the reported 90 million short positions. There is guaranteed demand that will absolutely be bought up as long as the hedge funds have to cover those stocks. And the only reason they don't have to cover is if AMC goes bankrupt. And I certainly do not see that happening at any point in the future. And I know you don't see that happening any point in the future as well. We're breaking records, guys. People are going to the movies in record numbers right now. Revenue is increasing. The debt obligations are way out in 2023. Everything is pointing to the recovery of AMC Entertainment. And therefore, everything is pointing to the fact that the shorts will be covered on AMC stock. That is the due diligence. There are short shares outstanding. We own the supply, and the supply will be bought back. It's as simple as that. And I hope that everybody realizes that yes, it may be fun to complicate things. It may be fun to go through different theories. It may be fun to address all of the what ifs and hey man, wouldn't this be cool if that happened? Or I can't wait to be a millionaire. AMC has the potential, more potential than any other investment out there to make you that millionaire. But I beg everyone to stay realistic, to stay grounded, and to stay in the stock, because those things right there are that's what's going to lead to the prices that everybody wants to see. If we start to believe that we are the ones who can control the future, we are the ones that can predict what's going to happen, pride gets in the way. And I'm telling you right now, that is the last thing we want to happen. Stay humble. Hold your position, hold the line, however you want to look at it, and we will come out victorious. And the hedge funds, guys, they have unlimited money. We can take all of that money from them because we control the supply. I hope that each and every one of you are slightly inspired by this video, because I know that I am holding AMC and I am absolutely not letting go of it until the shorts start to cover in great quantities, so that we see AMC stock absolutely blow through the roof. People are going to be looking in the rearview mirror at $48 like, my goodness, I wish I got back in at $48 per share. How that would have changed my life. Don't be that person. If you're not in AMC stock yet, just know this is the beginning. The numbers are the same as they were back in January. It's just trading at a higher price right now. So this is just the beginning. Now, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click that button, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Guys, inspire us down in the comments below so that we continue to hold AMC stock and that you also believe AMC has more potential than any other share out there, any other investment out there to make you the millionaire that you want to be. Webull, $100 deposit gets you 2 free stocks. Sell those stocks, keep those stocks, whatever you want to do, they're yours. And use the link in the description below to do that. It is an excellent broker and very simple to set up. ClayBro883 on Instagram and Twitter if you want to follow me there. And of course, guys, till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.